Okay, left hand side door pillar. It's a bright red lever, so you can't miss it. You hear a good click. Let's go round to the front of the bonnet now. Okay, so you've now got a finger gap. So come find the badge, come up from the badge. My middle finger's now on either side of the lever, which is attached to the car, not rather than the bonnet hood itself. Just push over to the centre and lift. There's the bonnet strut there. This is what your fingers were trying to find. You were pushing off to the centre. So it's very simple and basic. It's to drop it from about 9 inches or 20 centimetres. It's quite a heavy bonnet. I now can't move that. I'm just double checking that I properly close that. You don't want that flying up when you're driving along.